Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one. This is a Shaxian style scallion oil noodle, and I'm sick today. Not really enjoying it. I've got the nose, I've got the sore throat, the eyes. It's just like allergy plus a little extra. But we are cooking. Normally I'd be out walking around being a crazy person, but it's just not in the cards. I did go out, actually. I went and I got mung bean sprouts and scallions and stuff. But that was kind of a chore. Okay, there we go. 3 minutes. Yeah, I am just freaking beat. I haven't done one of these shows in like, what, 2 weeks? I think it's been about 2 weeks. I kind of ran low on noodles to review, and today, holy cow. Holy moly. I'm getting, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes of noodles are coming. 1 from Japan, 1 from Taiwan, 2 from the US, and then I believe I'm getting some chili crisps showing up today too. That's made in Seattle. I'm really excited about that. Yeah. So that's the deal. We just had Mother's Day on Sunday. This is May 14th, 2024. And yeah, I just feel like crap. I like that logo there. If it's showing it. Where it says Shaxian snack. You'll also notice that it is new music. This is the Tuesday mix. For your approval. I hope you enjoy that I've changed things up. It's like I went and I did all this stuff. I changed up the music and did a couple other things, and then quit reviewing for a little while. I've been doing a lot of what was the deal? And my wife was feeling crummy, and so during that time, spending time with her here at home, I ended up doing a lot of I had 4 top 10s that I did: the global, the bottom, the cups, and the bowls. And at this point, I think all I got to do is finish up the cups, which will be coming out in July. So but by the time you're seeing this, all 4 are out, so you should do a favor to yourself and go watch the video, look at the list. Some good stuff. Yep. So once this is done with its boiling, we're going to drain it and add these 2 sachets in here. They're liquid. I'm guessing one's oil and one is soy sauce. So that's what we're doing right now-ish. Yeah, this sucks. I think my daughter brought home some kind of sick. Speaking of, she's got a school musical performance tonight. Musical performance. That sounds like a lot. I don't know. I'll do it. Add this liquid. Dark. I'm guessing this is soy sauce. certainly is. There's no mistake in that smell. So this should be the scallion oil. Certainly is. I hope I really didn't just get some on my nose. That would be irritating. Very saucy. I hope this is good. The last time I had this brand of Shaxian noodle, it was not all that groovy. Let's give it a try, shall we? It's a little slimy? I don't know. We'll see. I'm starving, but I've got plans for my face hole later. Wow. Really? I hate to say it. That's incredibly bland. It is in need of something. That is faux show. It needs something. I don't know what. I'm going to use this. It really needs something. There we go. This would be good if you just dumped a ton of soy sauce on it, I think. Definitely a need. It needs something. It really does. Here's what we're gonna do. It's a scallion one, so we're gonna go with this. Little seed. Crushed red pepper. Yeah, I know. Some scallion, kind of fitting. And we have egg. There we are. Yeah, frighteningly bland. I really did not expect a bland situation, but that's what we kind of got here. Let's let Rotato work its magic. Yeah. All right. Okay. Alrighty, right. So the next one you're gonna see is this. This is Myojo Ipi-chan, and this is, I don't know. It'll say in the title for it. This came out of a Nakama Noodles box. If you want to get one of these rad boxes, go to Meow, spelled M-I-A-U, box, Japan.com, and get your Japanese ramen fix on, and yakisoba as well. It's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like and subscribe. Thank you. That's the right thing to do. Have a good one. Bye-bye.